tips, I'm going to be showing you how to install Discord on your Mac. This will work probably from, I would say, High Sierra on up, but I'm not sure. You can actually check in the description below on the website. I'm sure it'll give you some information. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the link in the description below, and it's going to take you to this page here, and you're going to click download for Mac. It's going to pop up. If you want to follow the same steps for Windows, you can, because it's basically the same steps. Obviously, the button looks different, but you can click that, and then when it's done, you can go ahead and drag it to your desktop or go to your downloads folder by going to Finder, Downloads, and then it'll be here, or you have the download section if you didn't remove it already. So the first thing you want to do is you want to double click on the DMG file, going to verify the file. Alright guys, so once it's done verifying and mounting the image file, it's going to pop up with this. So what you want to do is you want to take the Discord icon and drag it into the applications folder. It's going to make a sound, and then when the sound is done, you basically have it installed. So what you can do is you can click the launchpad icon down here, and then Discord should pop up. I like to drag it to my taskbar because, well, dock, I'm used to Windows. But I like to drag it to my dock because that's where I usually use my applications. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and verify that it's installed. Now the version of macOS I am using is macOS Catalina. I'm waiting for macOS Big Sur servers to just stop getting traffic because it won't let me install it because there's way too many people installing it. So I'm going to wait a couple hours and then I'll probably do a video on that as well. So if a lot of software in my recent videos are going to say that, so what you need to do is you actually need to give the application access because it's keystroke receiving. It's probably going to ask for access to the microphone, the camera if you're using a webcam to talk to your friends. It's going to ask for a whole bunch of other information. So just click Open System Preferences, and I'll show you a little neat trick so you don't have to go through all that. So it's going to pop up with this. What you want to do is you want to click the lock to make changes, and then you're going to enter your password. Once it's done, you can go ahead and click Discord. You're going to have to quit it first, so let's just quit that. Say it's quit. Alright guys, so it's obviously not going to work for me. However, it is installed and it will work. You just have to, you can try to reboot your computer and try that because that's a weird step. I've never actually had this issue before, but this is an older version of macOS. I mean, it's not that old, but Apple's making it so these aren't really supported as much, so that might be why some of the things are acting up. But, so that's how you install Discord on your macOS operating system. If you guys would like to see more videos like this, let me know. I do still have some planned. I'm actually going to record them all now, edit them, and I'm going to have them upload for the next few weeks. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, please drop a dislike. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.